Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, you're going to learn 6 things about methods in Ruby. Number 1, you can call a method with multiple parameters. In this example, I'm calling the add method with 2 parameters, 3 and 2, and on line 3, I'm printing the sum of those two numbers. Number 2, you can also set default values for the parameters. Here on line 9, I'm setting a default value of 3 for A and 2 for B. On line 13, I'm first calling the add method without any parameters, and on the next line, I'm calling the add method again with 2 parameters, 5 and 6. Number 3, in Ruby, by default, all methods return the value of the last statement. In this example, the value of a plus b gets returned because it's the last statement of the method. Number 4, you can use the return statement to return multiple values in an array. Here on line 25, I'm returning the value of parameter a, parameter b, and the result of a plus b. Number 5, use the star operator to pass variable number of parameters. In this example, I'm initializing the value of c to 0 and then using the each method to loop through all the parameters and add it to the value of c one by one. Last but not the least, number 6. Use the undef keyword to undefine a method. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.